Nandito na tayo guys sa ano, swimming pool. Tayo na lang natin sila nini. Kaso ang fog pa. Ang fog. Ang lamig pa dito mag-swimming siguro, guys. Ah, ang ganda. Andun daw yung beach. Tingnan natin Kuya Mike. Tingnan namin ni Kuya Mike yung beach. Hi, good morning. Ayan. Ayan na yung beach, guys. Ayos. Ganda. Kaso ano, foggy. Hindi makita, no, Kuya Mike? Hindi makanta yung ano, yung ganda. Pero ayan, oh. Ganda din naman. Lawa lang. Ang fog pa eh.
Much later.
Ayan guys, sobrang ganda. Pawala na yung fog. Mamaya susubukan ko tong GoPro dyan sa tubig. Kasi pwede naman tong mabasa. Ala, kalimutan ko pala yung ano ko, mask ko. Oh, andyan na pala sila, Isaac. Pumasok ako. Dito na pala sila, bumalik. Hi, Isaac! Are you excited to swim?
Yeah.
Say hi to the viewers. Isaac.
I already said that a while ago.
Say hi again.
Not
You
again.
awesome. Ayan na guys, paunti-unti na nakikita. Ano na kasi, anong oras na nga ba? 9:31 na ng umaga. Pero ang fog pa. Ano? Kapal pa ng fog. Mag-aalas 10 na ng umaga, ang kapal pa ng fog.
A few moments later.
Come.
There!
Let's go.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Not there, because your mom is coming from here. Here. We will hide to your mom. Oh no, your mom is videoing. Yeah. Quiet. Your mom is coming. Your mom is coming. Quiet.
Small.
Your mom is coming. Oh no! Let's swim! Are you excited, Isaac? Let's go!
Let's go.
Ayan, maliligo na tayo guys. Ilagay lang muna namin yung gamit namin dito. Tingnan natin yung tubig, baka... Ayan, maligam-gam. Maganda, maligam-gam.
Gam-gam.
Maligam-gam yung tubig guys.
Gam-gam
Ayos.
tubig.
What?
Gam-gam tubig. What that mean?
Gam-gam tubig? What does that mean?
Hot!
Ha? Ayan, may Zumba dito guys. Cardio. Sa umaga. Ayan. Maganda rito mag-TikTok.
I'm afraid of deep water height, so I'm just going in the pool.
Ayan guys, tapos na kami, pabalik na ng room. Init na, plus 11 na ng umaga. Ayan na. Isak, are you enjoy? Panalo guys, ganda. Isak, are you cold?
Yeah, I found some diamonds at the beach, but my daddy did.
Go back.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, papasok na kami. Pabalik na. Wow! Ayun guys, nakabalik na ulit kami dito sa room. At magbabanlaw na kami. Mamaya mag-check out na kami at pauwi na ng Ruiz. Again, 3 hours again yung biyahe. Kaya mahaba-haba yung biyahe ulit namin. Kaya hindi namin alam kung kailan ulit yung makakabalik dito sa city. Baka after 3 months again ulit or 5 months, hindi namin alam. Kasi mahal, magastos. Kaya yun lang guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And maraming salamat sa panunood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Much love and God bless.